think that's about right.
Would you like to pull off a Captain Jack Sparrow hat?
Welcome to our magical walking tour of Fantasyland at Disneyland Anaheim, California. Get ready to step into a storybook world where fairy tales come to life and dreams come true. Fantasyland is the heart of Disneyland, a place where both kids and adults can immerse themselves in the enchanting charm of beloved Disney classics. In Fantasyland, families can enjoy a variety of delightful attractions and activities. Take a spin on the whimsical Mad Tea Party teacups, soar high above London on Peter Pan's flight, and embark on a charming journey through the Seven Dwarfs Cottage on Snow White's Enchanted Wish. For those who love carousels, King Arthur Carousel offers a nostalgic ride on beautifully crafted horses. But the magic doesn't stop there. Join us as we explore the picturesque village setting, meet some of your favorite Disney characters, and savor delicious treats from the many themed snack stands. At the end of our walk, we will venture inside the iconic Sleeping Beauty's castle. This fairy tale castle is not just a stunning centerpiece but also holds its own hidden wonders. Inside, you'll discover the captivating Sleeping Beauty Castle walkthrough, where you can relive the classic story through exquisite dioramas and stunning visual effects. So, lace up your walking shoes and let's embark on this enchanting journey through Fantasyland, where adventure and wonder await at every turn. Welcome to Sleeping Beauty Castle. As we step inside this iconic fairy tale landmark, prepare to be transported into the magical world of Princess Aurora. The Sleeping Beauty Castle walkthrough invites you to relive the timeless story of Sleeping Beauty through beautifully crafted dioramas and mesmerizing visual effects. Wander through the castle's winding passageways and discover the enchanting tale of Aurora, her fairy guardians, and the malevolent Maleficent. Each scene is meticulously designed to bring this classic story to life, making you feel like you're part of the fairy tale. So, come along and let the magic unfold before your eyes.